Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video. So this is part of a gift that came with the Oppo Reno 11 5G, and let's do this quick unboxing of this. So this is just a basic smartwatch. Pretty sure you can find this anywhere on Amazon or wherever for probably $15 to $30, somewhere in that range. So let's unbox this thing and take a look at it and see if we can get it set up with the Oppo Reno 11 5G. So this is the model for it, F24. Here's a user manual. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get the watch itself, and it looks somewhat like an Apple Watch, like most of them do now. And then we get the charger. It's got its own special little connector here for the charger, type A to whatever this little connector is. And then we get a watch band. And that's pretty much it. That's everything that comes in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing connected. And I'm sure it's not gonna compare to the Apple Watch Ultra, but let's see how it works. Oh, and let me do this quick peel of this. Some people like to hear and see this. First time taking it off. This will be the cleanest it'll ever be. All right, guys, back with this watch. Wasn't that hard of a process to set up. Did have to read the instruction manual because it is a little different. For anyone who's picking up a watch like this, and you can find these on Amazon, very inexpensive watch. Plasticky feel, you know, there's nothing premium about this at all. Like I said, it's gonna be anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks from this watch. You will have to, depends on the region you buy it in, you have to go in and change the language in Spanish, idioma, and change it to English if that's what you prefer, or if you prefer it in Spanish, you can leave it in Spanish, it's your choice. But very easy to pair, so you gotta pair it through the app. If you just turn on your Bluetooth and go to your Bluetooth, you'll see it on your Bluetooth, F24. You try to connect, it will not connect that way. The way you have to do it is you have to go in to the App Store and download this app, which is called Smart Time Pro. Once you download this app, you can connect it through the device. It'll come up here, pair new device, and then it pairs right away. Now on this watch, you only get this one button. Okay, that's it. That is it. And all it really does is just turns it on. You can swipe down to get all of your configurations, right? Change the brightness and all that. You swipe up, you get your notifications. From the left, you get your weather, and then from the right, you get all your tracking numbers, okay? And then you can configure what you want the device to do in the app. So this is on device right now. You can go, you have free watch gallery, like a bunch of clones of Apple Watch faces. You can customize your own watch face, make whichever one you want, right? And then sync it to your watch. But you can take incoming calls. You can put it on Do Not Disturb. These are like all of the different things that it can do. There's no always on display. There's just the raise to wake, or you hit the crown on the side and that turns it on. But everything else, from health to sports to your personal data, all that stuff is right there on that app. So pretty basic watch. I get stuff like this because here in Colombia, sometimes you have to go in areas that are not so great, and I'd rather carry this and this instead of my iPhone and my Apple Watch Ultra. So that's what this stuff comes in handy for, because if somebody wants to just take this, I'll just give it to Higo, enjoy yourself, and go back home and put my other stuff back on and basically lock up the phone and then the watch. I don't know if you can even lock something like this up. I don't think you can from the app. I'm pretty sure you can from the app. It's not like a phone where you can go to Find My Device and just block out the phone, disable it, and then blacklist the phone. But the watch, you know, it's an inexpensive watch, 20 bucks, $25. It is what it is. But that's it, guys. Hopefully this information was helpful to someone who picked up a watch like this and couldn't figure out how to connect it. It is connected. Any phone calls I get, whatever, using this device, it will work. This little charger that it comes with is pretty fast. You have to have it on a specific way for it to work. It's magnetic, so it'll just sit on and it'll charge just like that. It does charge pretty quick. I'm gonna let it get to full, and then I'll do a review coming back with it after I do the day in the life. I'll probably do both at the same time, leave my Apple Watch Ultra off that day, and just take this setup out and just see how it works for a complete day. All right, guys, so that's it. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.